I think, this is we've got a ways to go in all of this, but this is setting up for a potential true constitutional battle and crisis if there is, willingly disregarding a judicial order or an attempt to enforce a judicial order.
Well, clearly, if there is this, you mentioned the 1911 ruling, there is some precedent here for this being maybe questioned, or I'm just kind of curious, in the historical context, when else have we seen this issue come up before?
I think the most prominent one related to ultimately the power of the presidency is the Nixon tapes back during the Watergate event. President Nixon refused to hand over tapes from the Oval Office to both a special prosecutor and ultimately to a Senate committee investigating the Watergate break-in. And that case went up to the U.S. Supreme Court and basically said, in certain circumstances, the president does have the ability to withhold material from the judiciary, but in this kind of situation, it is not the power of the president to ignore a court ruling. And basically, what happened was public opinion sided with the court against Nixon, and ultimately he had to resign.